I thought I was streaming this whole time, bro. I thought I was streaming. I thought I was streaming this whole time, bro. Like, actually. Like, I genuinely thought I was streaming this whole time. But I wasn't. I wasn't actually streaming this whole time. Let me...
You in position yet?
Ads?
What's take?
Ads? Have ads on this? I've never seen ads on this. Crazy. Genuinely crazy. Alright. Alright, alright. Let me get my Sumo Ball thing. Yo, what's up, bro? Here's me, Juan. Yo, what up, Juan? What's good, dog? Everybody's got like alt accounts that they be on. It's pretty crazy. Yeah, I thought I was streaming for like the past 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and I actually wasn't. So I never pressed stream. Alright. Oh, you changed your name? Okay. Tong Tong Bobo 660. Got you. Valid name change? Valid name change? Not gonna lie. That's it. I got a big beat for that one. Yo, let me know in chat if you ever want to test this game. Dude, I gotta dig for this one. I'm about to turn my camera off because I really gotta get it. There's a big booger in there, dude. I gotta dig it out. Alright. Ni hao ma? Are we Asian now? Actually crazy. What's up? What's up, though, Emmanuel? Yo, what's up, Deceived? What's good, bro? Yo, I got a big ass fucking booger, dude. Do I turn off my cam for that shit or no? That full send. What y'all thinking? Probably. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. You're cooked, bro. You're cooked. You're cooked, Emmanuel. You're cooked. Actually. Like, actually. The background volume is kind of high. Like, what are you talking about, dude? What are you talking about? But I do gotta move my mic. I just realized I gotta move my mic closer. You feel me? Yeah. I'm always hunched over, bro. Like W posture or what? I look like a weirdo when I'm hunched over. Good balance now. Are we running the blade ball or what? Do you want to test it real quick? I just want to test it real quick. Yeah. Alright, I'm not going to stay on it for too long, though. I just want to test it real quick and then get this shit done. Now, I think the knockback is a little bit better. What I'm going to be doing next is adding the finish adding the combos. I started it, I just didn't finish it. Then when the combos is done... Ni hao ma, are you like Asian all of a sudden, my guy? Bro, did you just fall off? Ain't no fucking way you just fell off first thing. I really have to add a border at the beginning of each match. Ain't no fucking way you just fell off, bro. That is crazy. Yeah, sure, it was the keyboard, bud. Sure. Yeah, we'll go with that. W knockback or what? Oh shit. Is the knockback better or what? What? Did you die? Where the fuck are you? You got TP'd? Oh shit. I don't know why that happens. I need to fix that. Yeah, I know. That's happened to me a few times too. I wonder if it's like if you dash as you're getting knockback. That's not it. I don't know why it does that, to be honest. I gotta fix it though. I think it looks lit though, dude. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. Are you planning to work on this game long term? I've set it deceived. If I get average 500 current on this game after ads have stopped running, and I'm no longer getting traffic affected due to ads, and it's just pure algorithm at that point, then yes, I will work on this game as long as it's above 500 current. Or if it's even like a few hundred, like say it's like 200 or 300, but I make enough to be able to work on it full time. Like I'll do that. I'll do it then too. It's just if the game is making enough, bro. You suck, dude. You fucking suck, bro. I'm on your ass. Yo, what up, RZ? What up, bro? I'm alright. How are you doing? I haven't worked out today. I wanted to, but I was just, dude, I've been like, my whole entire body's been sore as fuck from that kettlebell. Like, actually. It's actually fucking nuts. Not really, yo, what's up, Austin? Not really my abs, though, unfortunately. Like, I really want to feel it in my abs. But we're testing the knockback, and it's actually a lot better, I'd say, so far. I forgot if you can run away. Try to run away from the ball first thing, bro, if you're the target. Dude, you suck, dude. I'm on your ass, bro. I'm on your ass. Oh, fuck, I'm on your ass. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, though. RZ. I'm not gonna lie. So, I stopped all animations, so I'm pretty sure the run animation doesn't play anymore. And there's like this weird effect with the ragdoll, but it looks funny as shit, and I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it, bro. 'Cause it genuinely looks hilarious. Like the way the fucking character moves and shit. What the fuck was that? What was that, bro? I just got flung so fucking high. Ain't no way. It's harder to dodge. How is it harder to dodge? I haven't even touched the dodge. What do you mean harder to dodge? Oh, like it accelerates now, so you can't run away. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so I did add the acceleration then. Yeah, good shit then. Yeah, okay, good shit. There's the acceleration, so you can't just abuse the fucking ball. What the fuck is this? What is that? I don't understand what that is, bruh. Yo. Check chat. What was that fling? Did you... Yo, what up, Austin? Did you do something like root.velocity? Yeah, of course. It's always been like that, but it's like a little bit different now. So I just have to like fucking make sure it's not fucking wigging out. It's probably just one condition that I need to set to make sure it doesn't go like super crazy. Like if it's like nan or math.huge or something, like that could be it. After dodging the ball? Yeah, bro, I know. I'm hit. That's wild. That's actually wild. Yeah, what's up? Roblox chat? What are you talking about? There's nothing in Roblox chat. RZ, what are you saying? Turn on platform standing. Platform standing's already on. Platform standing gets set to true already. Yeah, it looks like it doesn't, but it does. Ball socket constraints? What are you talking about? I don't need, it's not the issue. No, I don't use ball socket constraints. For what? What would I use that for? Holy fuck. I do like the knockback a lot better now though, I will say that. It's more consistent in in terms of being able to fly back to the platform and not being instantly fucked. See, this is crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. Want me to send you? For what? It's not the ragdoll module that's doing this, by the way. Like, this was an issue before I put ragdoll in. I'm fine with the way ragdoll works. It TP'd you again? Damn. This is like every round now, bro, at this point, almost. You said something about velocity. What about ragdoll, RZ? Yo, that shit looks so funny to me, bro. Dude, I'm getting fucked. See, I need to add the combos in, so like, cause sometimes now you can survive too long. You fucking teleported again, bro. The ball is going to you. Holy shit, dude. Yeah, this is actually kind of hilarious. I think what happens is that force multiplies as it escapes from the ball, and then as it moves toward the next enemy, all the combined forces move faster, and maybe something like this happens at the end when the ball is traveling at high speeds, hence the fling. I think is that, I don't know your code. Yeah, I would just not even worry about it, bro, because you know, you don't know the code. I don't know how to say it, but like, you don't know the code, so you're just, yeah, that's not what's happening though, because the direction you get pushed has nothing to do with the ball. It's with the last character or whatever, like the last character, the target character, right? So it has nothing to do with the ball. Yeah, you're good. No, I think what it is I just need to have a condition that says if the force is like nan, because I think what's happening is sometimes it becomes nan, um, like just which is just insanely large number, and I think that's what happens. But I'll have to like double check that. But that would just be adding a condition and saying, hey, if the force is over this, you know what I mean, then we're just not even gonna run it. Like we're gonna minimize it to something less. But honestly, I should what I should do is adjust my math so that the force is always constant unless I change a specific number. Because what's happening right now is we have this weird behavior where it's just it's not always constant. It's not the same type of force. I want it to be the same type of force. So what's really going to happen most likely is I'm just going to change my math. But this is pretty much it right here as of now. And like I'm already compensating for if the force basically is like, if it's going to be like where you're stationary basically. Yeah. What is this? Yeah, it doesn't have anything to do with the ragdoll, RZ. The ragdoll's fine, to be honest. Yeah, I really don't want to change. Yeah, I'm like 100% positive because it was happening before the ragdoll. Like just to prove it, I will turn off the ragdoll. The ragdoll is very much a like new situation. See, this I might actually need to set the ragdoll. I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, yeah, it's definitely not the ragdoll. Like this was an issue before the ragdoll was a thing. Yeah, I know you're getting TP'd, RZ. We haven't fucking made any changes, dude. Yo. It's like every time you guys are getting TP'd or flung across the map, you tell me, and it's like, bro, like, oh my god, look at the ball. Yo, that is so fucking crazy. Look at the ball right now, bro. Is it still chasing you? Like, are you still like, oh my god. Holy shit, dude. This is fucking crazy. Alright, I'm gonna publish this and then reset. That is fucking crazy, bro. Alright. Let's see, bro. Let's see. Alright. Now we have this like weird animation playing. Where are you? Where'd you go? Oh, you died? Wait, what just happened? What the hell just happened, bro? He flew away. I got sent flying? Yeah. Yeah, so that's what I was saying, bro. It's not the ragdoll. W bugs. Yeah, it's literally not even that big of a deal. Like, I know it's gonna take me like a few minutes to resolve. It shouldn't be happening. Let me try to Yeah, it just shouldn't be happening, really. You're flying again now? That is crazy. Let me just resolve this. And I'm so shit at math. I'm most likely gonna have ChatGPT whip some shit up for me. Like, because I'm just dog shit at math. And I don't even know what damage percent power is doing, bro, to be honest. I don't even know what the fuck that's doing. That shit's kind of annoying. To be honest, you fling less with the ragdoll, yeah. I need to turn this fucking music down. This shit is just always so fucking loud. I wish there was like more Kingdom Hearts music. There's just dead not. Like, this is the only track I've been able to find, bro. And then it's like, if you play shit like this though, are you gonna get flagged? You know what I mean? Maybe not. Because it's a video game. Alright, what was I looking at again? Oh yeah, ChatGPT. Yeah, it's cooked with Zoom. We're gonna fix it though right here, watch. What am I gonna ask it though? Alright, let's give it all our shit real quick. See what it comes up with, bro. Constant. To create constant knockback force with consistent direction and magnitude, you want to remove all velocity before applying knockback. Normalize the direction and control Y force. Avoid stacking or exaggerated velocity due to overlaps. So knockback strength. We're already doing this. So it just, that's what I don't like about ChatGPT. I didn't need you to do this for, like, I didn't need you to put this here. All right. Like, really, ChatGPT be going out of its way thinking it's being helpful sometimes, and it's dead not. It's dead just adding shit that we don't even need to think about. Like, obviously, we didn't give it. I feel like ChatGPT should be able to assume that we didn't give it all the information. You know what I mean? But, you know what I mean? It's gonna do it anyway, you baby. To prevent flinging. Alright, so what is this, bro? What is this? This is literally what I gave it. That's lit. And this is what I'm talking about. This is the same exact code, bro. This is the same exact code that we already have in here. That's insane. Actually, never mind. Wait, what? Oh, it's not lerping for some reason. Let's get rid of the lerp. Let's get rid of the lerp. Alright. So maybe this will work, actually. Maybe this will work. I don't know. Okay, What's happening, Lazoom? I really do like the knockback though, so I'm just gonna add it back in. I think it's goofy, and I think it works out. I think it just works for Roblox, and so I'm just like, whatever, keep it in there, you know. Spectate you? I can't. Literally can't spectate you. Um, it shouldn't be. It shouldn't be. I don't think jumping should affect it. I'm really not sure though. I feel like I feel like there's a simple solution I'm not yet seeing, and there could be somewhere in this or crazy order of situation. Like there's so much going on here, you know what I mean? Like, so I do feel like the order, changing it or adding something in here might be important. Like maybe even a task.wait, but that's mad corny. I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, so it's probably like, I don't know, but we'll see. We'll see. We're gonna do this real quick though, what this is doing. Final direction. Where do you get final direction from? How much vertical boost? What? Okay. Alright. We're gonna do this. We're just gonna add base power. See, this isn't even being used yet, so this isn't the problem. We're gonna keep base power though. We're gonna keep base power 100%. Where's what the fuck is happening right now, honestly? I'm like getting confused because ChatGPT is creating its own variables, which it likes to do. So I'm like over here fucking tripping out. There we go. Alright. Base power. So we'll just keep base power. Get rid of that. Alright, let's test this and see like what changed. Why is Steam wanting to open all of a sudden, bro? Alright, I'm gonna publish this and reset the server. We'll see if that fixed it. I doubt it completely fixed it. I think it'll maybe be a little bit better, but it's not gonna have like completely fixed it. And I think the knockback's also gonna be a lot weaker. But we will fucking see. Yo, what up, Nine Tours? Been a few days. What happened to Grow Grandma's hair? You know, like, I don't know, bro. I don't know. We'll see if I can get a builder for it. I mean, I don't really care. Like, yeah, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I would like to get it out and run ads to it. But yeah, if no one wants to build it, then you know, and I would do like minimum 20% for someone who wants to build it. I've been making the spider yesterday. Do you like it? I mean, are you actually wanting to do all the builds, bro? That's not the full list, but it's most of it. It's like 80% to 90% of it. The other part of that other stuff that's not on the list though is like the, I don't know if the watering can's on there. Yeah, you see how fucking shit the knockback is now, bro? It's fucking pathetic, dude. I can build everything you need. Well, we'll see if Emmanuel wants to, bro. We'll see if Emmanuel wants to. Let me know if you don't. Because I'm down for whoever wants to do it, honestly. Yeah, of course. Of course, that's always what you want to do, RZ. You can only set it on the client, by the way. You can't set humanoid states on the server. I'm down with the modeling. Well, get it done, bruh. How long do you think you'll take on it? Because, I mean, the moment the assets are done, it'll take me like 3 days to be ready for ads. So, I'm literally just waiting on the assets to be done, bro. And then I'm going to be running the ads 3 days after, at least. Unless I come across any weird hurdles. I doubt it, though, because the game's basically done. I mean, how long do you think you're going to take, though? Can you give me an estimate? Yeah, the knockback is just too weak, bro. It's like balls weak. 1K all assets, bro. You are such a... Finish... I'll finish your assets tonight if you let me, boy. Yo, you are actually wild. Nightoris, yo. You're wild, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That's fucking hilarious. It would take, like, even an experienced modeler, bro. It would take, like, at least a week, bro. Because that's with animations, bro. Like, you gotta think. Like, models and animations. Models themselves, at least, like, a week, bro. Or not even, like, maybe, like, if somebody grinded on it, like, hella grinded, maybe, like... Is that... Where the fuck did you go now, bruh? I'm gonna hella grind it. A week. For model. We're talking about the list of assets. Dude, did you get teleported again, RZ? Is there a swinging anim? Yeah. What? There's a swinging anim, but you gotta block it, dude. I don't have it right now. I gotta fix it. It's still fun, even with the bugs. Is it? That's how you know you got a good game, bro. If it's like not even playable and you're still having fun, that's fucking crazy. Like, that's how you know you got a good game, bro. I'm actually like excited to see where this goes. It might do 500 current, guys. I know that during ads, it's gonna get like minimum 500, maybe even 1,000, but that's with ads, right? So that's paid. That's not gonna determine how much it'll make and if you'll keep that and you'll retain those players. But I'm excited to see like if it actually does retain players and grows organically after ads, bro. But yeah, it's just this game could be lit. Besides the swords, models might take a day or two. For what? For what, Austin? What are we talking about, Austin? Also, a good feature for the movement, I think it would be cool to control where your dash is going based on the camera. Got you. Yo, should we do like, once I'm done with this project and grow a garden, I might do like one other project after those, but eventually we should do like a community game together where everybody has like where everybody can like pitch in and shit. Like, we'll do like a team create, even though team create's ass. Team create is so buns. But I know not everybody in the server uses VS Code. So we can just create like team create and maybe create like a little game together or something. We could have like a situation where we come up with a game idea that we all like and agree on. And then we can just like go wild. And the rule is that we all have to like agree on shit. Not like not like necessarily agree on things, but we all have to pitch in. Yeah. I want to do it to where we're not necessarily agreeing on shit, but we're all pitching in our own shit. You know what I mean? Like we all have to agree on the idea itself, the game idea itself, right? But then after that, we pitch in our own shit. You know what I mean? Like, just add whatever, you know? And then, like, we'll all play a role or something. Like, we'll all do, like, some part of the game. And we can do it how we want to do it. I think that would be very interesting. So no one's in complete control that way. So no one has complete control, you know what I mean? Like, you can't, like, say no. Like, people can't say no to your idea. You can do whatever you want, however you want to do it. I think that could be really fun, though. Maybe we'll make it a video, too. I don't know. I was thinking about that, though, the other day. Also, a good feature for the movement, I think, would be to be cool to control where your dash is going based on the camera look vector. That's the what? Just, dude, that's not, bro, just shift lock, Emmanuel, shift lock, bro. Shift lock, bro. Because sometimes you don't want that, because what if you have ball cam turned on? That's not going to make sense. Now you're going to be dashing towards the ball. Shift lock, my guy. Bro, you already readed that? Did I? I don't fucking remember. I'm fucking cooked today. I get knocked back even when I hit it? What are you talking about? Yeah, I think you just suck, RZ. I think you just suck, bro. You're not hitting it, you goofball. You suck so hard, dude. I haven't seen you hit the ball once. Yo. You're not even blocking it, dude. Oh my god. You're spamming F. The F. Oh my god, Emmanuel has told you in chat several times. The F keybinds don't work right now, bro. You suck so hard. Yo, nah, you suck, bro. As I say that, I fucking die to a fireball instantly on spawn. Like, Jesus Christ. I really need to add barriers until the ball starts moving, bro. That's what I'm gonna do. Like, the first... Like, as soon as people spawn in, I'm gonna add barriers so that you can't get pushed off or fall off. Because, dude, people just fall off, bro. Like, they're so bad. They'll just fall off before the freaking match started, bro. Oh my god. What do you guys think about that community game idea, though? Like, we don't have to grind on it. Like, just take our time whenever, bro. W idea, but... Yeah, the only thing I would do is, like, the rule is like we want the one rule is, like, we would all agree on the game, and then rule number 2 is we all decide on, like we'll make a list maybe, and then, like, do, like, a raffle or some shit, so we all, like, get a role to, like, whatever to build for the programmers, like, whatever to build and shit ourselves. And then we'll make it however we want to make it, you know what I mean? And nobody can, like, tell us, like, no on our ideas and stuff. That way nobody's, like, arguing and shit, you know what I'm saying? And everybody gets their own shit. I think that'd be lit. But it would be, like, something fun, like, nothing, like, crazy. Like, just a little side project for funsies. Raffle idea is good. Yeah, Austin. Yeah, I think so too. I think it would have to be like that, so there's, like, no drama. So, like, no matter what, like, if you get picked something, like, that's what you get picked with, you know what I mean? Yeah, it would give some structure. Hell yeah. I wonder what type of game we would make. We could, I don't know if we would like literally just like kind of have like a list of game genres or types of games. And then we would like think like if we could all agree on one type of game to do. Or if we would just do a raffle for the game idea too. I don't know. I feel like that could go either way though. Alright, I'm gonna fix the knockback because it's like actually shit. It's like super dog shit. It shouldn't be this bad though. I don't know why it's so fucking terrible. I don't get it. The knockback is really weird, bro. I'm gonna just crank up the base power to like 300, dude. Yeah, I'm just gonna crank it up to 300, bro, and see what happens. Everyone comes up with a game idea and we vote on it with a bracket system. That's a really good idea, Austin. It's a really good idea. Did I shut down all already? I don't know. No, I didn't because I'm still in here. Dude, only this game does it do that. It like kicks me out. I don't get it. I don't know. That's weird. I've never had that happen before. It's so weird. Like no other game did that. Who's this guy? Oh, it's Hayden. Okay. That's good. W what? Hey, knockback's better though. Oh, fuck. Dude, what the fuck is that? I'm literally off the map, bro. Bro, I don't know why that happened. I think I don't know, man. Very, very weird. Let me try something here. Let me try something here, bro. Where's the C frame at? I'm gonna take off the C frame. I'm gonna take off the C frame. I just don't know. Let's take off the C frame and see if that fixes it, bro. That's just so weird. I haven't had that even in like testing or anything like that. It's just never. Then it's like I'm thinking there's all these other stuff. So there's the like maybe I need to turn off dashing, I need to turn off double jump, I need to turn off all this stuff. Or I just need to, I don't know. Like I wonder if it's other velocities conflicting. I think that might be it. That might be it. I'd have to check. I'm gonna check after this if this doesn't work. I don't see why this would be the reason though that I'm C-framing before. But oh shit. Okay. I do understand now. I do understand now. Ah, fuck. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Yeah, I need to do that before the C frame. Before the C frame, and I think I even need to do this before the C frame. I don't know. Or not. I don't know. We'll see. Or I need to do that. Like I need to turn off. I need to set velocities to 0, I think, after platform stand, maybe? I'm not sure on that, though. Did I reset the server? No, I didn't. Wait, did I? Did I reset the server just now? Maybe knockback force is getting applied a bunch of times at once. No, that's not it. That's definitely not it. Well, it looks better so far. Like, that looked a little better. It might have been the C-framing. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Yo, Reno's in here. I don't know who UX Comp is. You got flung again? Like what? Already? Let me see. The knockback is so fucking shit, bro. It's so inconsistent. It's not even funny. See, that looks good. That doesn't look good, though. That looks like shit. See, again, is it going off the ball? Has to be going off the ball, bro, because, like, that didn't even make sense how I got knocked back towards the opponent. I'm so confused right now. I mean, I need to double check my direction, bro. Oh, this right here. I don't, bro, this is so fucking confusing. Alright, I need to just, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to cook something up by itself. See if I can not write some bullshit that it just gave me. Yo, what up, Dino? You're gonna get your tea and milk? Sounds good, bro. What error do you get, RZ? Also, today, some hours I have to hit legs. Nice, bro. Hell yeah. Make a function that takes a direction and returns a velocity. That is a constant force which will be applied. The core GUI? Yeah, I don't know what that is, honestly. I haven't gotten that yet. Takes a direction and returns a velocity. And there's constant force which will be applied to a parts. I don't know. Force magnitude, direction dot magnitude equals 0, return. Why would you return vector? This is what I'm saying, bro. I mean, this would never happen, though. This would never happen. Like, that would never be a thing that would equal true. Unit direction, what is this? Unit direction. Oh yeah, okay. Times force magnitude. See, this is what I don't understand, bro. Like, I just don't understand this shit, bro. I kind of want to do apply impulse, bro, because this is so dog shit. Yeah, that's so okay, RZ, that happens. That happens whenever you get like crazy physics bugs happening. You know what I mean? So that's what that is. You'll get those if you ever start like really messing around with physics, and like velocity and applying velocity to the player's character. That's a very like common situation that can happen from that. Skill controller. Attempt to index. Know with position. What? I don't think that's actually. I don't think that's actually a bad bug. 140. Yeah, I don't even have anything on that line. I don't even have anything on skill controller 140. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Alright. I really don't know what to do here. I know that I could do apply impulse, but I wanted to use assembly linear velocity for this, bro. I know that I could. I don't know. I don't really like apply impulse though. It just works a little bit differently. Like, I want to say assembly linear velocity is more constant. That might be a bad way to put it though. Maybe I'm just like dumb on that. 149. 149. Yeah, that's. Info.fireball, info.target. Yeah, so that's probably fine. There's probably nothing wrong with that error, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, the fireball is. The fireball is in the air. Jesus Christ, dude. Well, I'm not really worried about that because I can almost guarantee that that happened because of these bugs that we have going on right now. It only happens upon joining, though. I haven't gotten it again. He just falls through the map. Jesus Christ. That's not good. Well, here's the crazy thing. So like, let me see, bro. Don't speak English, but I want to see if you can create a game I have in mind. I've asked a lot of people, but they can't. Yeah, I'm probably not going to either, bro. Let me see this, dude. Let me. I don't know. I don't know, bro. I don't know what to do. I'm like losing train of thought here. All right. I just don't know why. Like, it's. I just don't know. This is so weird. I don't know why it's like happening with this, but it hasn't. It wasn't doing this before when I changed it. So I don't know. I just don't get it. I don't get it. Yeah, no worries, bro. Yeah, I just don't know. Very weird. Like like before I started tweaking the knockback, this didn't happen. And so that makes me believe. Is he like stuck in the air? Was I tripping? Or no, he was like way back. Wait, what? What just that looked a little weird on my screen. Sometimes you'll instantly die? Like, what do you mean? Bro, 9 tours is just like hovering in the fucking air. Oh my god. Don't tell me you just got flung again. I'm gonna lose my shit, bro, actually. Easy? That's actually crazy. Alright, bro. Let me, dude, this is like, I just don't get it. I'm gonna look at my commits, bro. I'm gonna, like, look at, like, some old code and see, like, kind of what the fuck is happening here. Align orientation. Linear velocity. This is what I was using before. This is what I was using before, and I've never had issues with it. So I just like, I'm kind of confused on why it's not working now. I think I should just use linear velocity then, since we're having so many issues. Like, I had it working before, so that means I'll get it working again. Root part assembly. Linear velocity. So this is all good. So that's working. Yeah, I'm just gonna add in the linear velocity because that was work. That's what I used before and it was working, bro. So, but then I'll have to put it in a render stepped, I believe. For this like little while loop. But that's fine. We'll just do that, bro. I don't care. Wanted to not do that, you know, but like wanted to use assembly, but just whatever, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna dip to do the models. All right, see you later, Emmanuel. I'll send some screenshots later. Sounds good, bro. Not even able to see any sort of flinging. Damn. I mean, whatever you want to do with that, Emmanuel, it's up to you, bro. I don't care. Like, get creative, I guess. Oh, what did I just do? Is this part of Git version control? This is just, yes, actually it is. Yeah, it is, Austin. Yeah. That, which is dope, right? Shit, if I was in Roblox Studio, I wouldn't be able to do that, you know what I mean? Fuck Roblox Studio. That's sick. I gotta set that up. Do it, bro. Be Ricey. Look up, visuals, VS Code, and Rojo, B Ricey's video, and you'll get it set up pretty quickly. I want to say he has like a foreman set up with that or something. I really don't remember. Maybe not. Maybe it's just Visual Studio and Rojo. I don't know. There's like, I don't know. There's a lot of videos out there, but go to B Ricey's. That's what I used when I first got into it. Like years ago. Alright. So this way, I believe if we do it this way, is Lazoom doing the models? I think so, bro. He said he wants to. He said he's already started. So we'll see. But yeah, I mean, Yeah, we'll see. You know, assembly linear velocity doesn't really have max force, so it can build up or do weird stuff and go super fast. Yeah, that's kind of the issue we're having, Waterboy. Yo, nice. Is this all Lua? Yeah, it is. Carrying chicken. Check what you're multiplying the linear velocity by. So, RZ, we're switching from assembly. We've been using assembly this whole time. From when I've tried to polish the knockback and change the knockback, right? We've been using assembly, okay? Since I changed it, right? We're now going back to linear velocity. I was using linear velocity before when the knockback was working and was consistent and never caused issues like we're facing now. So I'm going to go back to linear velocity, and I'm just going to tweak the linear velocity to how I want the knockback to work instead of using assembly. I can't remember why I was using assembly in testing. I just opened up a testing place and started prototyping with assembly, and it worked in the testing place, but for some reason in the game, because we have so many other things going on, I'm assuming, it's not working. So yeah, we're gonna get it to work with linear. Negate friction. What do you mean by that? Well, with the linear, I'm pretty sure we have to run this in a render stepped or at least a while loop. I'm probably just gonna do the while loop though. But I'm trying to fucking get this to going. Okay. Oh fuck. So this is what we had before, right? So this is what I deleted, and I was like, oh, it works. I'm not gonna need it, and blah blah blah. And now, you know, now because I forgot that I set it up with linear, we're just gonna go back to linear. Like, I just really don't care. So I'm just gonna copy all this and just honestly fucking just copy it and tweak it. We'll just copy it and we'll fucking change it as we go. Definitely gonna keep the ragdoll though. Distance. We don't even need distance. We stopped using that. I don't know. I'm gonna get rid of distance. Get rid of that. And we don't have force. We're using base power now. We just don't need force. And then we'll have our where are they? Yo, what up, Draco? Did I see AI? What do you mean AI? ChatGPT? Just for some debugging? Yeah, really just to see if it could come up with like a more constant situation to fix the issue we're having with assembly. And it obviously doesn't know what the fuck it's talking about. So that's why we're moving back to linear. That's why we're moving back to linear velocity, because I don't want to deal with assembly anymore. This weird fucking stupid issue with assembly is just not worth it to me. I think maybe applying assembly while you're in a ragdoll state could have... I mean, dude, so I've just been switching shit around. The ragdoll was actually after the fact. Where's the ragdoll at now? Yeah, we're not even applying... Yeah, okay. I've had it to where we're applying it after this assembly, but right now it's applying it before. You know what I mean? So it's like, it's just weird. To me, I've done so much tinkering with it already that I'm just over it, and we're just gonna go get it working with linear, and then we're just gonna polish up linear how we want. You know what I'm saying? Spectate you. I might not be able to. Oh my god. Why are you floating? Yeah, this game's broken. It's because of the It's because of the assembly, bro. Just end the round. They're freezing their skin. It's because of the change, bro. It's the stupid assembly shit. It's the stupid assembly shit. Yo, this is crazy. All right, hold on. Let me just get this. Let me get this good, and then we'll put this out, and it should be fine again. And you know, the ragdoll, I did have some stuff changed in here. So this right here, I could just set that there. Like, that might be fine. We might just not even worry about that. And then maybe do that. I commented out these things because it was creating weird behavior. This line for some reason, and then setting this on, but this was on a different game. So I'm gonna just play around here and see what happens by just undoing that. All right. I feel like this should work now. All right, 7-5. And then we'll just get rid of this. We'll get rid of this. Okay. This should go back. This should bring the knockback back to what it used to be. And we'll just get rid of it. Actually, no. We'll use this. We need this. Yeah, let's do this. All right. Let's just, yeah. Let's do that. All right. No. Okay. So we should now not have any more issues with the knockback. Kimton, whoa, meet again. What up, Kimton? What up, bro? Nah, if you hold down on the white bar on top of screen in Roblox, it freezes your client. Hold down on the white bar. Oh, I could have swore I patched that, but that's been an issue. That's been an issue with other games too. Yeah, I thought I patched that. Maybe not though, but that might be like a weird fit. It might be like difficult to fix that, to be honest. Okay, well, don't just sit there and do it, RZ. God dang it. We're trying to get this knockback going, dude. What is happening now with the knockback? Look at this knockback, bro. What in the fuck is this, bro? What am I watching? What do we do here? All right, let's go back and see. Oh, we don't want to do that. Oh, we're setting this still. Why are we... What are we doing here? That's weird. Alright. And I just want to do this. Or maybe I'll set it true here. I don't know, bro. Actually, no. We're going to set it here. Alright. Linear and enabled. Let's see what that does, bro. I don't want to destroy it and fucking instance it. It just is like, just to save on performance, I'd rather not do that, bro. Because you could be getting knocked back like a shit ton. Alright. I don't... Fuck, dude. I don't know if I should. I don't know if I should put this above or below. The C-frame part. Because I feel like, yeah, I feel like it should go when after the controls are disabled, maybe. And then also after that. Okay, yeah. I just feel like that's best. All right, let's see what we're doing here. Let's see what bro. Let's just see what happens. All right, I'm missing chats, bro. You ever tried messing around in Unity? Fuck no, chicken. Hell nah, and I never will. Deadass. All right, we got some more people in here. JC Gaming, Reno. Oh, what the fuck is this shitty ass knockback, bro? I mean, bruh, it's like, what am I looking at actually? That's nothing. What? It's fucking ass cheek knockback. Which doesn't make any sense. It has to be the direction. The direction. Oh, fuck me, dude. Yeah, it's the direction. We're fucking up the direction. Because, yeah, let me see how the direction's being handled here. Direction. Dude, what? Dude, well, where's the direction, bro? Linear velocity. This line right here. Why? So this line right here is what we don't have. That's why it's not working at all. Alright. Alright. What's center direction? Like, I don't even remember what that is, bro. Now I remember, though. Now I remember why I have this whole thing right here. Now I remember. Alright. Dash velocity is what's fucking it up too, probably. Yeah. Alright. So we gotta get rid of our dash velocity. There we go. And then what's the center position? What is this? Why do we have this? Oh, I see. Okay, I'm gonna copy this just to have it, but I'm not gonna. I know what this is, and we don't want that, so I'm not gonna use that. I'm just gonna use direction and not minus. Yeah, we want our direction, not that. All right, let me try this out, bro. Cause I don't like it. I don't like it, bro. There's just no point. Like, I just have no interest in making like a Steam game or any of these other platforms, bro, to be honest. I mean, there's so much more work that you have to do for those, and I'm not built like that, bro. I'm not built to be a solo dev on Unity. Fuck that. Um, Shut down servers now. It's a game engine, yeah. Alright, let's try it again, bro. I had some shit that I forgot all about, so we might have been able to use assembly linear velocity still. I just wasn't doing certain shit, bro. Shit that I just forgot about, bro. Now, what is this? My god. Dude, this is so cooked. This is so you, yeah. Well, dude, it's just because like RZ, it's this code base is almost 2 years old. It was dog shit when I wrote it back then because I was just prototyping a bunch of shit. And now I'm having to go back over shit and I just forgot all of like how, because it worked, you know what I mean? Like you played it when it worked, right? So now when I tried to redo it, really, it just, there was so much other shit that I just forgot to account for. And so now that's why we have these bugs. These are bugs that I already fixed in the before version, bro. So it's like now I'm having to refix them because, and we're gonna be, and guess what? We're gonna be in the same spot we were when the knockback was working before, and I'm just still gonna be trying to make it better. That's pretty much where we're gonna be at, bro, to be honest. I don't know why he banned him. He was a bot. It was a bot, bro. It was a bot sending spam. Yeah, it wasn't a real person. Nine tours. How do you fall off first thing, bro? There we go. See? That's a little better, you know what I mean? But now the dash isn't working. The fuck? Now the dash isn't working. Crazy fast. I know, dude. This is like the old knockback. This was like the first prototype that I got working. So this is the part that this is what I was trying to polish up, bro. And I had a test place with using assembly that does work, but it just doesn't work in the game because there's other things I had to account for. I might actually try going back to assembly now that I'm accounting for the stuff that I needed to account for, just to see if that works. Is the dash not working anymore? Yeah, the dash is completely broken. Um, fucking weird. Like, all I can think of is to not destroy the dash velocity. Give you mod? I can't, bro. Gotten into cybersecurity? Hell nah. Hell fucking nah, bro. Like, the only reason I would get into that is just for being able to protect myself against like malicious shit. But other than that, I have no interest. Dude, why is the did I restart the servers, bro? Why is did I restart the servers, bro? Why is the dash now not working? The dash wasn't working mid-round. I swear to God. Dude, what? Bro, the dash is not working. The dash is not work. The dash isn't working. The dash isn't working, bro. Yo, y'all are funny as hell. Dudes out here bullying Draconic and shit. Yeah, boredom. I get that, bro. Bro, the dash isn't working mid-game. Like, I don't know what the fuck that is. I can't. I can't just give you wrench, bro. I can't just give you wrench. It has to be earned. You have to surprise me. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. Fucking having mods is so fucking corny. Like, guys, I hope you guys never, like, look at being a mod as, like, very nerdy, bro. Like, it's so crazy. It breaks when you hit. Also, why don't you use the Breeze service for deleting? That's, like, irrelevant. Like, that's just, like, irrelevant. The Breeze service is just, like, irrelevant for real. Alright, peace out, Draco. Have fun, bro. Breeze is cool because Destroy can error. I've never had a problem with Destroy, to be honest. Like, ever. You don't like red messages? You're funny. Spectate you? I can't, Nine Tours. Are you like off the map? What style you want? Bro, I mean, PS1 would be cool, but PS1 would be cool, but do whatever you want, bro. I mean, I think PS1 would do good, but do whatever you want, dog. I really don't care. That's whatever you want to do. The thing is about stylized is like, have you ever seen a popular stylized Roblox game? I have not. Like, ever. It's up to you, bro. It's up to you. Do whatever the meta is. I mean, I think PS1 will be fine, bro. To be fair, good stylized artists are hard to come by. That is true. But what I'm saying is, have you ever seen somebody that's like, have you ever seen a game? There's companies that make Roblox games every day, right? Like they have a ton of fucking people in that shit. So it's like, you know what I mean? Models not building chat. What? And what the meta is. I don't know. Just do your favorite style, Lizum. Do your favorite style. Do your favorite style that you like to do, bro. I really don't care. It's a grow a garden game, so just do your favorite style, bro. Do whatever style you want it to be. Do it how you want it to be, bro. Don't ask me another question about these models, bro. I'm dead ass. Oh my god. That was like so funny. Oh shit. Also, it says killed you when I did. Yeah, the game's cooked right now, bro. I should just revert the knockback back to what it was, bro. Give me 1 second, dude. Let me 1 second, bro. Alright. We have officially converted back to what the knockback was. I just don't care at this point. I'll focus on what it is in the working state, bro. Just so we can like not have all these ridiculous bugs, bro, that just were never in the game. Or they were, but so far long ago. Alright. Now it's gonna be playable. This what a derp stream feels like. How, bro? Waterboy, if this is your first time, bro, this is a light stream, bro. Like I'm just tired as fuck. This is a light stream, bro. We're usually crazy in here, bro. Like we work out and we do stupid shit. Now it's not. Whoa, bro. I'm gonna flip my lid. What is this? Did I reset the server? I know I did. I know I just reset the fucking shit, my guy. Check this for it. Hold on, bro. What is this error you talking about? Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah, we want a ragdoll, don't we? Well, that shouldn't be erroring. I don't know why that's fucking erroring, bro. But we don't even want to play that animation anymore. Oh my god, it really got rid of every single change I ever did in here. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna remove those notes. I don't care about them. They were written 2 years ago. We want this. I feel like we would want to do this. Yeah, we would want to do this all the time. I don't know why that's. And this, I'm just gonna. This is really weird. So I'm just gonna put this up here. Just the organization here is fucking with me. Let's do this up here. I think that should go there. And this was a distance check I had. I'm just gonna get rid of that. I don't need it. All right, this should actually like work. I don't, dude. If this doesn't work, this doesn't make any sense because I literally just reverted it back to what it was in the working state. Very weird. Did Dirt get you to stream because you said you didn't want to stream one time in his chat? I wouldn't say he got me to stream, but he did say something that I was like, oh, fuck it, maybe I'll try streaming. So maybe he did. I don't know. Yeah, I thought I would never stream in a million years though. But I mean, I make long ass videos, so I was like, let me just try it, I guess. See, now it's working, bro. You see what I'm saying? Now it's working. All right, we're good now. We can work from where it's at. Where it's at right now is fine. Where it's at right now is fine. Let's add the ragdoll in. Let's add the ragdoll in. It flings me to the right. Yeah, I know. Because we need to change up our direction. Our direction's weird. Our direction doesn't make any damn sense, bro. We need to change our direction, to be honest. Like, I can try that right now, but it's gonna fuck up. It's gonna fuck up, bro. Because we're not even using the direction that's being passed in right now. Look at this, bro. We're not even using that. And I remember I ended up sticking to this as a quick fix to get it working. Let me see where it's at though. It was on like line 80. What the fuck is going on? It's all funny words. What are you talking about? Yeah. Line 80. Well, this isn't, I don't even think, oh yeah, I already removed that. I got rid of that bug. Why don't you just set linear velocity and delete it after some time? That's literally what happens. That's literally what happens. There we go. See, it's like sometimes it just doesn't knock you back. It's so fucking weird. I don't really get it. I don't, this is so, I don't know, bro. We done enough tinkering though. I'm probably just gonna leave it. Come back to it another day. But yeah, the center position is the center position for the I sent you the presents I use, huh? What are you talking about? What the hell is this? The presents. You know, this is literally what we're doing, RZ. This is literally what we're doing, RZ. Yeah, this is literally what we're doing. Forces. I have a different mode? What are you talking about? Force limit mode. I don't even set that. Yeah, I don't even set that. I mean, I highly doubt that this is gonna be like something that ends up being being a game changer. But we'll see. We'll see. I doubt it, but we'll see. And use hit character vector 3 for what are you talking about? What are you talking about? RZ. What is this? For what? This can't work, bro. There ain't no way this is gonna work. For what? For Mac? Oh, because they're new settings? New settings. Jesus Christ. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. We'll spank and see, bro. And then what is this? Vector. Why do you like What do you have this for? Forces preset. What the fuck is this? Force. What's your vector velocity supposed to be? Oh, that. Never mind. We don't need to set that down. Never mind, never mind, never mind. Let's see what happens, bro. Let's see what spanking happens. Thanks for the follow though, whoever followed me on Twitch. All my homies love body velocity. My ops hate linear velocity. Body velocity is like old as shit, is it not? Let's see what happens. This is it. Dog shit. Dog shit. Dog shit, RZ. Absolutely dog shit, RZ. No, I'm just kidding though. We're basically where we were, bro. Bro, it was good for me. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? It was good for you, dude. it's like jumping us like a fucking frog, bro. Yo, we're like jumping spiders on the fucking platform, dude. What'd you say in chat? Never mind. That's so funny. Sumo frog simulator? Facts. Facts. What other magnitude? I wonder what magnitude is going to do. Let me see what magnitude looks like. Linear velocity. Magnitude, max force. Was it? So its default is magnitude. So we were doing that before. That's what we had it on already. Which is what I would want to do. I mean, that makes the most sense, does it not? Yeah, that makes the most sense, bro. I don't fucking know, dude. It has to do with the force applied, bro. I mean, bro, it works, does it not? Like, we already have it working, do we not? Like, I was supposed to add in the ragdoll, actually. Let's add the ragdoll. Let's add the ragdoll. Forgot the fucking ragdoll functions, bro. Ragdoll character. Jesus Christ. It's literally that easy. Here's LV in my game with preset. I think you're getting it swapped with BV. What are we talking about? What are we talking about? Did you just send me malware, RZ? Like, really?
So its default is magnitude, so we were doing that before. That's what we had it on already. Which is what I would want to do. I mean, that makes the most sense, does it not? Yeah, that makes the most sense.
So, I don't know what is... is that, is that your game? I'm just thinking to myself, like, I don't know what the point... I don't know what the point of that was. Listen. Yo. I don't know. I don't know what the point of that video was, bro. It's like... like Emmanuel gets it, bro. Emmanuel gets it. That's so fucking funny. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. If I wasn't so tired, that shit would be so funny, bro. Holy fuck. Jesus Christ, dude. Bro, it's so funny. Oh shit, who's crocking a pot watching? All right, RZ, it's just like it's just like oh shit. I just had a weird fucking carbonated bubble go into like a weird spot. Oh my god. All right. It was funny, RZ, because it was just like watching that. It's like, how is that supposed to help the situation now? it just it just didn't apply to anything we've been going over, really, bro. I'm not kidding. Oh shit. It was like a completely different situation. Just what you mean watching it again, you can see the knockback. Yeah, but it's just it for what we're doing and what we're talking about, it's irrelevant. You know what I'm saying? The knockback works now. It's just shit. Like that's all that's happening right now. It works, it's just shit. It's just still shit. It still needs polish. We're back where we started, except we have ragdoll in now. We're back where we started, we just have ragdoll in now. What a complete waste of time, bro. Holy shit. Fucking assembly linear velocity, which I would like to do. Assembly linear velocity seems like the way to go for what we want to get done, bro. But it's just dead not. Try tweening? Jesus Christ, Austin. Definitely not. Are you joking, Austin? Assembly is goated, right? Like that's what I'm thinking, but you know, and I don't know if it's because we just didn't have oh my fucking god. I don't know if it's because we didn't have I need to turn off this annoying ass sound, bro. This music is driving me crazy. I'm trying to fix this shit. You can't stop laughing? That's funny. Oh shit, that shit was funny. Where we started, we just have ragdoll in now. What a complete waste of time, bro. Holy shit. Fucking assembly linear velocity, which I would like to do. Assembly linear velocity seems like the way to go for what we want to get done, bro. Where we started, we just have ragdoll in now. What a complete Holy shit. It might be the order you're doing it. I don't know. It might have just been, honestly, we can try assembly now. It might have just been, I don't, it might have just been the fact that, I mean, like, let's look at what I wasn't accounting for. This right here is the only thing in that I wasn't accounting for, so I have no fucking idea at this point, bro. But this is what I'm using, and the reason why is because when I tried using the direction from the ball, you know what we could honestly be using right now? Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. You guys, what did we learn about a few days ago on stream? What did we learn about together a few days ago on stream? What did we learn about a few days ago together on stream? What did we learn about, bro? What did we learn about? Motherfucking C-frames, Austin. Thank you, bro. And what about C-frames did we learn about that we could use right here, bruh? That we could use right here, bruh. Wait. No, we can use object space. Can we not? Austin didn't say anything, by the way. Yeah, you're right. You can use my preset too. What are you talking about? That shit didn't do shit. This didn't do shit for me, RZ. What are we talking about? Try tweening it? Yo, I'm not gonna try. I'm not even gonna attempt, bro. No, Austin, you're not cooking, bro. This is like how you thought you were cooking during C-frames. This is how you thought you were cooking for. This is like how you thought you were cooking with C-frames when we were learning C-frames, Austin. You are not cooking right now, bruh. Try turning it on. Turning what on? You were cooked, is what you were doing. You were getting cooked. You were cooking yourself. You're over engineering this? No, bro. Like, I'm thinking, like, because you know, like, when Malachi made that example, hi, Monkey Boy is crazy, Corix. Monkey Boy is actually crazy, Corix. How do I remember your name, though? Uh, nah, so you remember when Malachi was showing us his his because of that guy facts, I didn't delete that. I was okay. Saying that as your first words is crazy. Yeah. I remember your name. But nah, bro. So object to world, point to object space. Point to object space. So when Malachi was showing us that thing where you could see if something was behind you or whatever, right? We can just do that, bro. We can do, I'm sure we could use that in a different, in some sort of way, right? To like help us out here. I don't fucking know, dude. Yeah, send the code so I can tween that shit. You're actually bugging, bro. Just set up a little prototype. Try tweening linear velocity right now in a studio file, bro. Like, see if how that shit works. Center direction. I have no idea how you're tweening vector velocity. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Wait, what are you doing? Who's who doing? Austin's trying to tween velocities right now, bro. I've never heard of that in my life. Me, what am I doing? I'm thinking right now. I'm not doing shit. I'm just thinking, bro. Well, there's a lot more to it than that, right? Like there's the so the so the fireball knocks you back, right? This really should be like very simple. I I just don't know, bro. I don't know why it's glitching out. I just wish I knew why it was glitching out. It's just a very weird thing to be honest. I, dude, because I'd rather use assembly. Assembly looked a lot cleaner than this, and there should be no reason that assembly is acting so fucking weird. Like there should be a very simple solution that we're just not seeing, bro. Like assembly was fine, basically. Here, you guys want to see my assembly prototype? I'll send it in the Discord channel, in the scripting channel. I'll send the assembly prototype or whatever that I've made real quick. Let me see what it's called. Knockback test. There it is. Check that out, bro. I mean, that's what I was using with assembly, and it works just fine. It works just fine, bro. So like, I don't know why it's not working here. Like, genuinely. Um, no, it's not the ball. Here's the thing, right? If you go to the Discord, check this out, right? Check out this knockback. I mean, I'll just show you guys right now too. I don't know why I downloaded it. Like I already have it on my computer. But look, this I'll just show you what it is real quick. And this is what I wanted to start with, right? This is what I wanted to start with for now, okay? Uh and yeah, yeah, I don't know. So see that? Like that's how it's supposed to look, like just very simple. And you know, you can obviously like change this up how you want it to look, and that's the combo effect, right? So like Super Smash Bros. Like it's just a very simple situation without the ragdoll, okay? And it, you know, but and in this studio, it would never you'd never teleport. You would never teleport off the map like that. So I have to figure out what's happening to where it's doing it in the the other place. I feel like this should be first. That has the Smash Bro effect. There's a cool game you can check out, Project Smash. Got you. You see, so it's like, you know what I'm saying? Like this is it in a very basic form. And this would never error. You would never teleport crazy. So like I would just have to figure out why it's just not working in the other game. Like I just don't know. It's very weird. And I'm thinking like could it really be the dash velocity? But that just doesn't make any sense. No, no, water boy, that's not a thing. Ugh. Is it like at least, is it at least working in this though? Is it at least working in this? You could put the dash in a test place and try. Well, I've tried dashing. Like, look, I just dashed with the fucking shit knocking me back and nothing happened. But now, then I just like, I don't even know what just happened. I just got teleported and then died instantly. So like, yeah, I just have no idea. The only thing I can think of is the direction, bro. The direction gets fucked up depending on how far the other player is, which doesn't make any sense. This is actually this no, this version should be the working version though. So never mind. Oh my god. Fuck. Wow. What the helly? Yo, what the helly is crazy. Dude, once this fucking knockback is polished, oh my god. Jesus fuck. How do you fall like that? Like you're actually trash. See, now it's like it's working like it used to. I would start printing values of the velocity of directions and see what comes out. Well, I'm sure at some point it turns to nan. Like how else would you be flying like fucking teleporting off the map? But isn't there a way to always make sure that it's constant? Yo, Lazoom, can you put that game in games channel? You suck. Get out of my lobby. Get out of my fucking lobby. God damn it. Whatever. Alright. Yeah. It's light work. It's light work. Light work. Alright, I'm gonna play it late. I'm gonna play it another time. It's getting late. I just wanted to have it there so I can play it. No, I fucking god damn it. Buy more skills. I think you have to spin for him. You have to spin for skills. Can't hear my stream. I mean, it's going, bro, so I don't know what to tell you. Like, the volume's on. Got you. Did you win? I don't know. Yo, fear actually sucks. Damn, you suck, bro. I'm on your ass. I'm on your ass. I'm on your ass, bro. I'm on your ass. Yeah, dude. Get out of my lobby. Get out of my lobby, deadass. Um, no, I don't think it's that. Like, look, I use the same shit for. I'm pretty sure I'm using linear velocity for the like look at the dash, right? I'm using linear velocity for the dash. Dude, look at that sick ball movement. Like you know nobody does it like me, bro. Come on. Oh fuck no, I could have super sumoed and I would have won. I could have super sumoed and I would have won that round. Fuck, dude. Zoom, that's good, bro. Team shake. It's badass 3K players. Nice. Check sure it's zeroed out or something. What do you mean by zeroed out? You mean flattened or whatever the fuck? What the helly? What the helly? Oh, what the helly? Yeah, you guys are fucking dead, bro. Yo, did it just flung her? Oh my god, bro. It just flung her. What the helly Anto? What the helly Ante? What are you saying, RZ? Like, what are you actually saying right now, bro? Nobody can ever understand you. Bro, we're gonna get lit, all right? We're gonna get lit, okay? We're gonna figure it out. Easy. At least not happening all the time now, but I would really just like to switch to fucking assembly, bro. I don't know what the problem with assembly is. It's kind of annoying. Jesus Christ, bro. Dude, Lazum, isn't your name Emma? Like you actually have a period that's due in a few days? Or are you still, or did you get knocked up? That's actually crazy. What's Emma from Emmanuel? Like your dad named you Emma? Your dad's name is Emmanuel and he named you Emma? What the helly? What the helly? Don't correct me, bro. What the helly, bro? What the helly? Yo. Yo, that shit is funny as fuck, bro. Dude, I fucking suck. I'm not even using my skills, bro. Like, I never use my skills, bro. Holy fuck. I'm gonna look up dash velocity real quick just to double check that I'm actually like handling it the way it says I am. Okay, what? All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Hmm, interesting. I just feel like that was out of order. I kind of feel like this is too. I don't know. Let's see what this does. I don't hate debris. I'm just like, it's just not relevant right now. Like debris is cool and all, but it's just like, it's not like something that matters. You know what I mean? Like it's just one of those things. Like if you want to use it, cool. But it's not gonna like, you know, like it's not gonna be a make or break for getting this to be fixed. You know what I mean? That's just kind of where I'm at with that. Like a lot of stuff like that, I just don't care about. Like if it's not gonna fix the issue, then I just don't care, you know? Like I'm really solely focused on fixing the issue. Try linear velocity instance instead of applying it to the root part. What are we talking about? We are. We are, Austin. That's what was working before. It's still working. It's just now it's just not, you know what I mean? Like it's working now, but it's just sometimes you still get that weird fucking where you're flying across the goddamn map. But now it's working a little bit better, it seems. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Now it seems to actually kind of be working a little bit better. We'll see, we'll see. Croc, what'd you do? What do you mean, Bacon? Did I forget the anti-cheat? No, I just don't fucking care. Yeah, I'm actually dead as fuck. Okay, it's working a lot better now, or am I tripping, bro? Fuck, I could have super sumoed. Yeah, what's up? It's supposed to be applied once. No, I think it's because you're applying vector velocity in a loop. No, I'm not. I'm not. This is what this is. I'm just manipulating. I'm just manipulating this right here. But this isn't the issue. This isn't the issue. This wasn't the issue, by the way. People are gonna find a way to hack if they want to. It's just not worth it, in my opinion. I agree. I just don't care. Like sure, I could spend time like creating some simple anti-cheating shit if I wanted to, but I just don't care right now. Like that's something that I could add like down the road maybe, but I just don't care. Dude, what? Yo, is it working better though now? It's like nobody's teleported, so that's good. I think it's like actually working better now. You TP'd? Shut up, RZ. I didn't see you fucking TP, bro. Like literally you did not TP, bro. Just because you fall off the ledge doesn't mean that you teleported, bro. Like I can't keep you from falling off the ledge, dude. Alright. Well, I didn't see you, bro. Nah, time stop and grappling hook are not in yet. Like I'd have to create those from scratch, which wouldn't be like super hard to do. I just don't want to do it right now. I'm focused on the knockback solely. Cause the ball bugs are gone. Like the ball's working perfectly. All I need now is the knockback to work, and then the game loop, the core mechanics of the game loop work perfectly. Like, and then I can actually get this last little bit done and then run ads. You like this game? Thanks, Bacon. Freaking reporter. I got comboed midair. Yeah, bro, when this shit, like, when the knockback gets fucking resolved. RZ's such a liar. Like, I don't even. How are you getting teleported, bro? You're not getting teleported. Nobody's getting teleported now. Look at that. Look at that crazy freaking ball fight. Look at that, bro. Did you see that ball fight? Did you guys see that midair? You just did what? Yeah, exactly. I know you're fucking with me, bro. You're such a head ass. And I was like, if you literally meant just to the platform, like you're such a head ass. Like no 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 no. You're actually gaslighting me is crazy. No, that's actually crazy. Is that a get back? Is that a get back for me gaslighting you the other day? Yo, that's actually crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, Super Sumo Ju, you're dead. Super Sumo Ju, you're dead. You're dead. I Super Sumo you, bro. What did you think was gonna happen? There's no grace period yet for blocking. I haven't put that in yet. You're getting fucked anytime I'm right next to you. The ball's going that fast, and I super sumo you. You're getting fucked on, bro. You're not killing me. You're not killing me. See, it did it again. Okay, you need to shut the fuck. No, 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 no. You need to actually shut the fuck up, bro. No, you need to shut up, dude. No, you're actually an idiot. No, you're an idiot, bro. You're fucking retarded. Hell no. Dude, yo, is anybody else seeing this in chat? Like, dude, no, 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 no. Waterboy. The dude is gaslighting me, bro. Heavy. The dude is gaslighting me heavy. I got TP too. Nah, you guys are fucking nah. Nah, yo. Yo, dude, shut the fuck up, bro. Deadass. Yo. Ain't no way you guys are gaslighting me this hard, bro. I swear to God. Like I can't ever fucking oh my God. Ain't no fucking way, bro. That's so crazy. Dude, fuck. I fucking suck, dude. I rip ass. Stop exploiting is crazy. This is unplayable. Keep getting TP'd. Austin, where's your fucking character? Austin, where's your fucking character? Who are you? You're not getting fucking TP'd, bro. You're not getting fucking TP'd, bro. You literally are getting TP'd to the fucking platform, just like RC said. You, Lazoom, and fucking RZ, bro? Like dead ass? Are y'all are actually gaslighting me this hard? Is crazy, bruh. You're not even in the game. That's crazy. Yo, that is crazy, dude. Like, y'all need to stop, bro. Dead ass. Y'all are fucking crazy. Ain't no fucking way, bro. Ain't no fucking way. I'm on your ass. I'm on your ass. Aw, damn. I was about to fuck you up. I'm on your ass. Oh, you think you can fireball my ass? You think you can fireball my ass? You forgot I made this game. I made this game. I made this game. Get fucked. Having more wins than kills is sus. Gotta be hacking. Who has more wins than kills? Oh. Yo, that's actually funny. Oh no. Bro, people fall off the platform. I gotta add that. I could add that tonight. Damn, it's 1 a.m., bro. I need to get off. I could add that tonight though, like dead ass. But it's late. I gotta get off soon. At least we fucking fixed the knockback, dude. Holy shit. I don't even know what the problem was. We need to polish it though. Fuck, it's just too fast. It's too fast. It's too jolty. It's not smooth enough. I want it to be more smooth. I would, like, I wanna, I might, I don't know, bro. I don't know. It's working now. I don't even want to fucking use assembly. I don't even want to mess with that shit again. I'll just end up probably polishing it. Yeah, what do you think you're doing, Lazoom? Oh, what the hell is this? How the fuck is this dude all the way up there? Who is that? Is this the feared guy? That's an edge case, or somebody's fucking doing something. No, it's not. That is the feared guy. He's literally fucking cheating, bro. He's actually exploiting in the game. Bro is telling you for 30 minutes straight. Yeah. That's actually kind of funny, though. What is that? Who just died on the fucking platform, dude? Oh, was that like a delay? Maybe? I think that was a delay. Bro, who's got it better? Who's got the better ball move? Who's got better ball movement than me, though? Best movement in blade ball games, period. Period, period, blah. Period, period, blah, period, Game sucks. Yo. What are we watching now, dude? Nothing's. It's a black screen. Did you just give me a virus, dude? Dude, literally just. RZ literally just took like all my info. Made with Clipchamp. Who uses Clipchamp? Who uses Clipchamp, dude? Nah, there's a clip at the end? What?
Fireball? You can fireball?
Oh, what the fuck is
Oh, you think you can-
this? Come on, you ass. Come on. Oh, you think you can fireball my ass? You think you can fireball my ass? You forgot I made. You did like fucking fly up into the air. Hold on. What the fuck? You ass. Come on, you ass. Come on. Oh, you think you can fireball my ass? You think you can fireball my ass? You forgot I made. How is it the C frames, bro? Like that's so weird. Am I still doing the C frame? I can't tell. No, I'm not. I took out the C frame. I don't know. That's very, very weird. Yeah, getting closer. We're basically where we fucking started, bro. Like I did all this code like when I made the game almost 2 years ago. So I don't fucking know. Get this fear guy out of here. Guys, I'm just good, bro. Holy shit. Is fear Corex? My bad. Your Pookie Bear is back. Jesus Christ. I'm back with the milk, bro. Oh my god, bro. That is crazy. Yeah, I don't know. I'd rather use assembly though, bro. You're probably on the money with the NAND. That's probably the issue, or an insane amount of velocity gets applied somehow. Yeah, I think it's the NAND, bro. I mean, we'll just put a. I mean, we could put a warn on it real quick, just to see if it's the NAND. But like, what would we do? Like, it's this right here. Wait, no, that's not it. It's this right here. Like, how would this ever be NAND, bro? Because the direction, it doesn't ever get flattened. Should we flatten the direction? No, because then it turns into a then it turns into like 0.5 and all those other types of values. Just print it out. Whatever, dude. All right, after this, I'm gonna go to bed though. That's what you're saying, yeah. Wow, how did you learn scripting? Um, I spent a lot of time outside and I got a lot of sun. Oh, restart the game. Nah, but dead ass, how did I learn scripting? Paying someone for years. It's on the low though. You're funny. Yeah, so your first mistake is thinking that you're gonna get paid as a scripter. Builders actually make a lot more money than scripters in the Roblox space. That's probably the only space where that's a thing, but yeah. Um, so is it not? Uh, because it's on the server, or no, it's not. It's not on the server. It's not printing though. Why? Oh, because I need to connect it. Oh my God, we haven't even been connecting, dude. Well, we have been, but just not that time. Fuck. I don't know, bro. Yeah, but building easier than scripting, it don't matter though. How do you edit in Visual Studio Code? Look up VS Code Rojo. Uh, and look up B Ricey. And then you too can go into studio. Look at this dude. Literally thinks he's cool because he can fucking cheat in a Roblox game. You think you're pretty fucking cool, don't you, Corix? Or is he getting fucked? Yeah. Yeah, because you're fucking hacking, dude. Genuine question. Is the reason you use Rojo? I've never used it, but seems redundant. It is far from redundant, bro. It's literally the best thing to ever hit Roblox development. Um, Cause like, let's say like, what the fuck? How are you fucking? All right, that's it, dude. Get fucked. Get fucked. Get fucked. Get fucked. Get fucked. Get fucked. Fuck. Whatever, dude. So yeah, I mean, so like get right, obviously, and extremely powerful. Roblox doesn't have any form of version control built in, so you know, what the fuck is happening right now? What did I just witness, bro? Like, what did I genuinely just witness? This guy's actually like, Jesus Christ. Bro, what is this guy doing? Like, we can't even test right now. Dude, fuck no. Fuck no. Super sumo that shit. Super sumo that shit. Wait, where'd you go, RZ? Did you teleport again or not? Clip Kingdoms, what's your original twist on this game? What does it look like? Did you just see? Did you just see the gameplay? Okay, it's not that. You just teleported again? I got a normal vector. Did you? Print it. Print it out. In the create tab. What's the create tab? No, I can't tell. It looks exactly like Blade Ball and Death Ball, but worse. Thanks a lot, Clip Kingdom. Oh shit. Oh fucking shit, dude. If you can't tell, then if you can't tell what the difference is, then I don't know, bro. All right. That's kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Um, but yeah. Yeah, bro. Yo, what is this guy doing, bro? Oh my God. Bro's the critiquer. Yeah, okay. You need to chill out, bro. You're fucking retarded. Oh my God, super sumo that shit. Jump up, jump up, jump up, jump up, jump up. Alright. Reminds me of Blade Ball and Super Smash, bro. Yeah, that's pretty much kind of what I'm going for. On the Roblox website. Three dots. Oh yeah. Honestly, I'm about to get off though, bro. Like dead ass. I'm about to get off, bro. I'm too tired to do all that right now, bro, to be honest. Just print every vector, bro. Like what are you talking about? I print the only one that matters. I print the only one that matters. See, I don't see this. It might be the two. Is it the 290? I wonder if it's the 290. I wonder if it's the 290. I think it's applying it multiple times. There's no way it's applying it multiple times. Listen, listen, RZ. There's no way it applies it multiple times. 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 Have you gotten multiple print statements in the same exact fucking time? Because if you haven't gotten multiple print statements at the same exact time, it's not the loop though either. If you don't get this done for today, you have to get a buzz cut. You're fucking on drugs. All right, so what did you smoke today, bro? Crack? Meth? All right. All right, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Can you build a condo, please? No. Is this Khan Academy code? Yo. Oh my God, bro. Yeah, this is fucking Khan Academy code, bro. Like, fucking, yeah. Um, yeah, I just don't. Wait, minus equals. Okay. Time gone by. Bro, why? I'm telling RZ. Oh my God, RZ. RZ, this is the last thing I'm doing, and I go into bed because I can't even think anymore. But this, you're such a goofball sometimes, and I want you to see how much of a goofball you're being right now. You're not the printing genius, bro. You're not cooking. You're sounding a lot like Austin. You're sounding a lot like Austin right now. You're not cooking, bro. Were you here when Austin was trying to cook for like 2 hours straight and he just was not cooking? Like that's what you kind of remind me of, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Jesus Christ, dude. Who is this Corix guy, bro? Who is this Corix guy? But yeah, I gotta go to bed though. It's like way too late. So I gotta go to bed after this. I know. Yo, that shit. Yo, that shit Zoom. That shit was actually so fucking hilarious. Oh my god. That shit was so fucking funny. Fuck, man. We did. I just did. Did I? I just did. I just did. RZ, I just did. All right. So what did the prince tell you? What did they say? You gotta get flung first. I feel like it should be easier, no? I feel like it should be easier to, make the person fling or to make a character fly through the air. I just had it happen to me too, but I don't understand what happens during it. I don't understand. Go to F9? Why? Why do you want me to go to F9? I don't see anything. Oh, these. Is it this? It is this, isn't it? It just says 18. It just says 18 the whole time. It just gets set to 18. You don't know if what's it. There's nothing going on. Yo, what's up, Coney? What? What happened, bro? Don't guess. 5.7K playing and going up right now. That is peak, Coney. Good shit. What game is it? Steal a fruit? Ain't no way. Gotta follow trend, bruh. Quick buck. I don't know. I'm kind of good on that. I'm kind of good on that. Like, how much are you making off that? You know what I mean? Like, is it even worth it? Steal fruits? Steal a fruit. One of the values is just sending me flying. I mean, Roblox physics is tough. 1 million. Legit just released. Did you run ads, Coney? Monetization yesterday, so it's made like 30K today. 30K what? Robux? Learned the algorithm is crazy. How do you learn the algorithm? 30K Robux off 5K players is actually pretty crazy. I know. I know the gatekeeping is unreal. We got 5K players in like an hour. Learn stats, learn how to boost stats. I'm good on that, to be honest. Um, yeah, I'm honestly good on that, bro. I know. Nobody trying to be an accountant, bro. It's poorly monetized though. Yeah, it sounds like it. If you only made 30K Robux. There's no passes. Yeah, see here, my thing is like, um, my thing is I don't care about making cash grabs really. I mean, I made a grow a garden game. It had like a unique a unique theme to it. There's also two mechanics in it that no other grow a garden game does. That code base is actually really good. I'll show that real quick. Fuck this Sumo Ball shit, bro. That shit was Sumo Ball needs the knockback needs to get better, bro, for sure. I need to fix that, but it's gonna take a minute. Unfortunate. I would, dude, I want to use assembly. I like the way assembly was working in my test plays. Like, but it's just I don't know why it's not working in there. It's so fucking weird, dude. I don't know what the issue is with that, to be honest. Anyways, I don't own the game, but there's four, including me. Four people? You guys are not making shit off that. I'm not gonna lie. Like, that's kind of crazy. Where's the girl grandma's hair shit? Yeah, so I mean, me personally, bro, I just don't want to make those types of games. I'm more so focused on like fun gameplay and engaging games and like fun mechanics and stuff, not like quick cash grabs that are literally just gonna die at some point. And a lot of cash grabs don't even make that much per current. We know how to monetize, we released it, but it became popular. Yeah, but when you say things like we learned the algorithm, like what are you talking about? Like what are you actually talking about? We learned the algorithm. The only monetization I see is money. That's pretty good for just money, not gonna lie. What do you mean? What do you mean, RZ? You mean by making it grow a garden type shit? You mean just hopping on the bandwagon? What do you mean? I'm kind of confused right now. By that, I mean learn how to grow games without using Robux to grow it. Dude, provide context, bro. Like you're not giving any context. You're just saying a statement. Like you're not really saying much of anything. Like you're not giving any details. You're just being like very vague. I fucking love that sound. So this is the unique mechanic though. And then there's this too. But the unique mechanic really that I like is the being able to worship. Having your pets worship your plants? Like is that meta or no? I think that's pretty sick. This is what people do when they want to gatekeep, bro. What do you mean, Waterboy? Whole lot of words, no information. I think what it is like, I mean, to be honest, like we don't even know this guy, you know what I mean? And he hasn't said much. So I could have missed the ball with this one, but what it from my perspective, what I notice in this niche space is as soon as people like get some type of success, they'll just go on about like shit that they don't even actually know about. They think they'll just say they do or they think they do just because they got some success, but they really don't even understand why or how they got the success. And so I just find that to be a very common thing in this weird niche that we're in as being Roblox developers or yeah, Roblox development and stuff. But I mean, for example, though, like when I worked at GameFam, they were partners. There were partners for games at GameFam, and there was this like kid, bro. He was like I think he was like 18 or 19, and he was a partner because he and two of his friends, I guess, owned a tycoon game that was making like well over 15 to 20K a month. It had a few thousand current, and like basically then so he was partnered with GameFam, meaning like GameFam would get a percentage and help him work on it and build it and make it better, right? And so, but he would like go on like in some like work meetings and stuff. He would like go on about like saying that he knew marketing and like he'd be like, "Oh, this is marketing, blah blah blah." He knew fuck all about marketing. Like he had no idea what he was talking about when it came to marketing. Dude literally just put out a fucking tycoon with two of his friends and it did really well, right? It was a niche tycoon. It was like some military tycoon and it did really well and it was doing really well. And so like but he still didn't know a single thing about marketing, but he's going around saying he does just because they got a game to do well. And I think that's kind of crazy. I've seen that a lot, honestly, where like people in this space will get a popular game and just say they know everything about everything, and it's just like, yeah, it's just really weird. I don't know. Buddy thinks he's Mr. Yeah, Coney, we know. You know the algorithm, apparently. Has he still not explained shit? This isn't the first time we've had success. Coney, like, what we're saying, though, is, like, why are you in chat right now? Like, why are you in chat right now? You're not saying anything. You're just saying, we learned the algorithm. Okay. Are you here to provide details? Or are you here to just, like, what are you doing? Like, are you here to just say that you learned the algorithm? Or are you actually going to provide details, bro? You know? Like, what the fuck? That shit is weird, bro. I'm not gonna lie. How long have you been scripting? Since 2021. But I've had an accelerated journey, right? I had 3 people who were watching, or not watching, but I had 3 people who were very advanced, been programming for like, one of them was been programming for like a decade, and they also graduated computer science. Another one of them was in computer science, been programming for like 8+ years. So I had like 3 people who were like my go-tos to that if I ever needed help, they would help me, and they would also teach me like a lot of crazy shit. So they got me to a very crazy level very quickly within like the first 6 months of programming. Then in my first year, I got my first job. So that also brought me to like a crazy level, like for the amount of time I've been programming. So yeah, he just want to flex or a probation. What's a probation mean? He literally came here asking, guess what my game is at. But it's the thing is that it's not even his game. It's a game between him and 4 friends, bro. Like, so if that game doesn't end up doing a lot more current than what it is right now, they ain't making shit. Because it's 4 people, bro. 4 people have to split that. But either way, like, good for him, you know what I mean? Like, good for him. You got a successful game, bro. But it's just like, explain. Like, why would you tell us you learned the algorithm? What did you learn about the algorithm, my guy? It's like, do people even understand their gatekeeping? Or like, do they do that shit on purpose? Or like, do they even know that they're doing that? It's just weird, bro. Like this, in this specific, bro, niche specific, Roblox devs is the most gatekeeping fucking industry I know of. It's worse than how to make money online. It's so bad, bro. And I don't even think people gatekeep on the how to make money online niche, because they literally are blatantly telling you with their actions. They don't have to say it. He learned the stats and shit, Crockpot. What do you mean? He just explained this. He has an accountant background, of course. That also helps. Wait, what? What are you saying, bro? Am I missing chats? I just released my game yesterday, and we have average 50k players. We know the algorithm. No, I will not explain how it just got. I know now. I just read it. Yo. RZ, what the fuck, bro? I am so tired. I need to fucking go to bed. I'm playing my own fucking game. And it's not even like there's no content, bro. Lazoom, are you in here, bro? Are you actually gonna make all the models for this shit, bro? I want to polish it. X tax, but yeah, wait, what is X tax? What does that mean? I feel like there's elite Roblox devs that also gatekeep as well. Define elite? Like, are we talking like nerds that made a crazy big game? You know what I'm saying? Like, Like, what are we defining as elite, bro? But yeah, I mean, dude, the whole community does it, and it's so cringe. It's not helpful to them, and it's not helpful to anybody else. They're not doing anything by gatekeeping, bro. Keeping things to themselves in the hopes that they succeed over others is massively fucking cringe. But also, it's the fact that even if they were to not gatekeep a single thing and they were to tell their every single move, they're not going to prevent their success by doing so. So, this whole mentality where they build the fear up to make them gatekeep is corny. It's mad corny, bro. Because it's just not even a thing. What is there to gatekeep though? Just like data, like on your game. Like how did you get your game? How did you drive traffic? How did you drive traffic to your game? How did you first start getting your first like 50, 100 average current players? How did you grow from that? How did you look at your did you have a game that had bad data and now it's doing really well and you have good data? Like how did you make that transition? There's all sorts of this information that's actually like that can be very useful for developers to know about, right? Like for me, I've spoken with a ton of people on Roblox ads. I've spoken to a lot of successful developers on Roblox ads. So I have a very fair enough idea on how to use Roblox ads. I've also used it myself. And I also have 7 years marketing experience. So I've experimented, for years and been running ads for years on like Google ads, Facebook ads, that sort of thing. So like I understand how ads operate and I understand marketing to a level where I can have my own strategy going, right? And I can grow off that. And you know what I'm saying? But there's all sorts of information that can be useful. And yeah, they just gatekeep it. Like, I don't know, bro. It's stupid. I don't know. I'm fucking tired. He knew what he was doing. He wrote it, read it, then sent it. Yeah, it was corny. I think it was just mad corny, bro. I think he was just. I don't know, bro. Like, I'm guessing he's just excited to tell people. He's probably just excited to tell people, bro. And it's like, cool. Like, good for you. But to say all that extra shit is corny. To say we learned the algorithm and nothing else after that is corny as fuck. Yo, what's up, Ahmed? Won't devs who care about making good games won't care for comments like that? What do you mean? Like won't care to like say like random shit like we learned the algorithm in chats or what? Fucking deceived, bro. I feel like devs should just make cash grabs who actually care and boast the dude. Care and boast the dude? What do you mean? I thought this game was gonna be a cash grab, and then I spent fucking weeks coding it. Like, holy shit. But now I think it's actually a cool situation. Like, look at this spider, bro. Like, worshiping pets, bro. Nobody's doing that, bro. Come on. Y'all gotta give me props on that idea, bro. Like, y'all gotta give me props on this right here. Nobody's doing it like me, bro. Same with the blade ball. Nobody's doing it like me. I have spins on shit, you feel me? I have spins on shit, you feel me? Ain't nobody added a knockback for a blade ball. Ain't nobody added pets worshiping plants and shit. Ain't nobody added that shit. Come on now. Come on, bro. Come on. People who have actually learned the algorithm would never tell someone for free. Mark Cuban said this, something similar. I mean, I don't know, RZ. I think that's corny. And also, Mark Cuban's a fucking billionaire. Like, what? Like, what does he have to do with Roblox developers? Yeah, I agree, Waterboy. I agree, bro. Because, like, look, essentially we're all in the same boat, right? Like, we're all in the same boat, right? Like, nobody in this chat right now is a goddamn millionaire from Roblox yet, you feel me? So it's like, we're all in the same boat. We're all trying to, like, get a game to do well, right? And from what we learned, the guy that was in chat talking about, we learned the algorithm, like, he's in the same boat too, because 30K Robux is not shit. Like, sorry, bro. Gonna need a little bit more than that, bro. The fuck? Oh, I have maximum pets. Okay. Duh. I can only have 6 pets out. Duh. Let's pick them up. Like, there is no algorithm. Motherfucker just hopped on the group, on the grow shit. Just hopped on this grow shit, steal shit, bandwagon. That's fucking algorithm he was talking about. He got a taste of the money and tell everyone about it. Yeah, facts. Facts, bro. Facts, bro. Yo, what up, Hayden? Just hop on the trend bandwagon for a quick block, even though it's short term. Facts. I mean, that's what I'm doing with this game, but I want to make it interesting. Like, grow grandma's hair. We have black widows, where if you can see the lady's face on it, I don't know if Emmanuel's building it, it's gonna look different. But yeah, like, we got black widows. We're gonna have horse flies, and then your pets can worship the plants, bro. So, like, it's kind of a bandwagon game for sure, but I think it's unique enough to not be as well. But it is definitely meant to be a cash grab, low-key. I'm not gonna lie. Oh. There's only certain types of game that will take off that quickly, and those games are always catered towards 8-year-olds ready to spin. Yeah. That's why there's so many, they tend to fall short. Bless you, man. Thanks, bro. How old is this motherfucker right now, bro? 5 minutes? Shit. Old ass spider. Looks good, but what do melon trees have to do with grandma's hair? Just a question. I mean, because you're gonna grow shit on her hair. Like the grandma's gonna be like standing wherever, and you're gonna be growing shit on her hair. You know what I mean? So her hair is gonna be the plot. This is just like this is just like a random like part plot I made. This isn't gonna be what it actually looks like. But yeah, like the plants and the animals are gonna be like very like a play on words. So like Black Widow is a black lady who's widowed with 8 legs. You know what I mean? And then a horsefly is a horse with like a fly wings and fly eyes. And then some of the plants are like also a play on words. So it's just a very like quirky theme. Um, and then the differences between Grow a Garden is like I've been saying, you have the pets can worship the trees and add a boost, and then you also have a watering can. And I'm gonna make a spigot eventually. I gotta fix these fucking keybinds, bro. Like they just break sometimes. Oh, it's because of this. It's because of that. I remember now. All right, I should write that down. I forgot all about that. Bro, I had a dream about this and was like, time to make a banger. Yo. This was just the second idea I came up with, bro. Dude, because I'm just trying to get a game to do well, bro. Like I have yet to really have a successful game myself. I think Sumo Ball could be it. Once I polish that knockback, dude. Jesus fucking Christ. But yeah, I think Sumo Ball could definitely be it. And then I know this game could do well too. But yeah. I'm gonna make it grow grandpa's nose hair next. Goddamn. Yeah, I gotta have on this upcoming algorithm. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. If you wanna hop on the dev team, that's crazy. Um, bro, but there's I mean, bro, like gate like that corny guy aside, gatekeeping aside, there's really from what I've seen, there's two main ways. I'm trying to push out a game before college, so I have to work and so I don't have to work and can make money doing what I like to do. Facts, do it, RZ, you can do it. Um, but there's two main ways. I wondered why people play knockoffs of other games. Why would people play another version of a game that already exists? It's theme, theme a lot of the time. You know what I mean? Like you can really build a community just purely off theme, and then also like unique spins on things. So think about this, Waterboy. There was a like viral video circulating around a Coke bottle. Okay, it had something to do with a 2 liter bottle of Coke, right? What did people start doing then? They started replicating those videos so they would get views, right? And so now you get all of these new videos with the same videos, just different people with Coke bottles, 2 liter bottles of Coke. The views end up like after a while they go down and down and down and down because it's overplayed. Like people have already seen it. There's no point in seeing it again and again and again. So eventually you see the views start to decline until the trend just dies off completely. Then what happens? Somebody comes around with the same video but with a 2 liter Sprite bottle instead of a Coke bottle. That video goes just as viral, if not more, than the Coke bottle, the first original Coke bottle video, right? So it's just unique spins on things. I'm just talking about it in perspective of the player, not the creator. Well, that is the perspective, right? It's just unique spins on things. You know what I mean? Like the player is going to play, like, what if there's a theme, what if there's a game that they like, right? Like a grow a garden. You know what I'm saying? Grow a garden, you know, what if there's a specific grow a garden theme that isn't out, but there's a large demographic for it. You know what I mean? You could simply just make a grow a garden game with that theme, and now you're gonna have a fan base for that game because it's the theme. They like that. They play it for this. They play it for the theme. That's like anime games. Anime Tower Defense was not the first tower defense game on Roblox, but Anime Tower Defense blew the fuck up, right? Why did that blow up? Because it's a theme. It's people love anime. Anime is fucking huge. So it's really just theme, bro. It's really theme. And then, but that being said, right? There's theme, and then there's unique mechanics. Unique mechanics. Things that you can't do in the original or the other games. So like this one, for example, this is a grow garden game. What can you do in here that you can't do in the other ones? Like I've been saying this whole time, you can literally have your pets worship plants, and there's going to be a whole worship animation and stuff, and and you're going to provide a boost to your plants. This is making the player engage in a unique way that they wouldn't normally have a choice in all the other grow garden games. You know what I'm saying? So it's stuff like that. It's like you don't, yeah. It's just, and another thing to think about it, bro, is like another way to think about it is like you're just taking a piece of the pie. There's more pie for, there's enough pie for everybody to eat. Just because game's already made doesn't mean you can't make the same game and fucking, you know what I mean? As long as you're like doing it in your own way, I guess. But yeah. Did you guys see that fucking random ass game today, dude? Hold on. Is this allowed? Did you guys see that fucking burger game, dude? Alright. Look at this fucking crazy burger game, bro. Where'd it go? Yeah, this fucking burger game. I said this before, but I think what really gets the player's attention is the icon and thumbnail more than the gameplay. Well, yeah, the icon and thumbnail is what makes them click on the game, right? But then it's the gameplay that makes them play the game. So there's yeah. I think there's no pie left for a steel game since it's so oversaturated. You would think that, but that's just not the case. And that's what people were saying about Blade Ball too, when all those Blade Ball copies were coming out. Dude, if I had never given up on Sumo Ball, I would have been made a lot of money on that game. I guarantee it almost. Because there were no other Blade Ball games like it at the time. There's still not. There's still not. Still, nobody has made a game like Sumo Ball, bro. I don't get it, because that's a really good idea. But, anyways, so, like, Blade Ball, right? People were saying that about Blade Ball, like, oh, it's saturated. There's just no point after a while. Then you have, like, a year later, somebody came out with a Blade Ball game. First week, 2 weeks, it was, like, 1K current plus. You know what I mean? So it's just, like, it's never the case. It's never the case that a genre is too saturated. And I was just y'all missed the marketing stream. I literally had a whole marketing class here on stream. A few days ago, was it? I don't know if I think RZ missed it too. But we had a whole marketing session and it was like an hour long where I was going over it with you guys. And one of the things, this is meta. This is the new meta. This is the new meta, bro. This is the new Roblox meta, bro. What do you mean, RZ? You don't know about this? You don't know about this meta, bro? This is the peak Roblox game? Exactly. Y'all want to play some Sumo Ball? I can't right now, Hayden. I'm way too fucking tired, dude. To be honest. How many players? Like, this game right now has like over 1K. 1K, 1.3K. Yeah, exactly. Deceived. Exactly. But what were we going over? This type of game has been in the wave for a minute, bro. Like at least 2 years. Yeah, well this just dropped and now it's like blown up. Oh yeah, saturation. A yeah, okay, so how much do devs make from cash grab games with around I don't know, bro. There was just somebody in here talking about making 30k Robux off of 5k current, so who knows. But it also Septic, it depends. Because I know a lot of devs who make cash grabs and do really well, and then I know devs who make cash grabs and do really shit. So it depends on the genre, it depends on the cash grab, and it depends on how your monetization is set up. It depends on several factors. But yeah, we were talking about saturation, bro. A genre is never truly saturated. A genre is never truly 100% saturated ever. Ever. Nothing ever gets completely saturated to where you can't succeed in it, right? If that was the case, then we would have had people stop joining genres and niches a long ass time ago. Like there's hella people making shit out there. So, but that's just never the case. There's the reality is that there's more pie, there's enough pie for everybody to eat. And if you think about it like this, if you change the mindset to I'm not if you change the mindset to I'm I'm not competing with the whole niche, the whole genre to like, okay, well, how many people are actually still trying in this genre? Okay, well, that takes off a large chunk of the population. That takes off a big percentage of the population in that genre that you're quote unquote competing against. Because now, if you think about it, how many people am I actually competing against? Not a lot, right? Only the top guys, because only the top guys are really doing what they need to do. And I don't even need to be a top guy to be successful. I can be one of the lower guys. So that's also, I'll throw in this too, bro. Never compare yourself. Never compare yourself or compare your goals or anything to like other people or how much others are making or how much of these big games are doing. So that's another thing to keep in mind with that. But yeah, saturation is bullshit. Like it's not a real thing. You can still be successful. I feel like it dies out, then it's been dying for so long, people forgot. Then there's a new game that pops off in that genre to revive it. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I mean, the crazy thing is, bro, is do you guys if you guys know Dead Rails, so like Dead Rails wasn't the first Dead Rails game. I don't even know that a Dusty Trip was the first a Dusty Trip game, but Dead Rails, like a Dusty Trip, Dead Rails was based off of a Dusty Trip. A Dusty Trip was like over a year before Dead Rails released, bro. So it's like, you know what I'm saying? And a Dusty Trip had 20k current when Dead Rails dropped. So like a Dusty Trip was still doing really well and is still doing really well. But now people think that Dead Rails is like the first of its kind for some reason, just because it blew up to insane numbers. But people been making a Dusty Trip games for over a year before Dead Rails. So I guess the point I'm making is like it just I don't even know, I'm too tired, but saturation don't matter. don't ever get mentally fucked. Are we really at 16,000 subs right now? What the fuck are we doing? All right. Dude, my goal as a dev is just to create survivable income. That's literally it. So with that, I'll also throw in my first goal for concurrent players is 500, and then my next goal is 1,000, and then my next goal after that is maintaining 1,000 plus current players long term. That's like those are my main goals right now as a dev. Yeah. And that's long term, bro. That's why I don't really focus on cash grabs. And then if I also do anything like cash grabby, I guess, because I mean, grow a garden's technically like cash grab. I at least throw my own spin on it. You know what I mean? Like I at least like do some. I don't half-ass it. You know? Like I at least like make it good and unique. You know what I mean? But yeah, the game I want to create is one with no competitors because people will come back to my game because it's the only one. Yeah, good luck, bro. I say that because, I mean, really every game mechanic ever has been already made. If you really think about it, there's no new mechanics, really. But yeah, dude, do it. Do it, bro. I think every game mechanic has been made, and then it's just the way you put them together. The way you put the mechanics together is the originality of it. You know what I mean? So like the way you put the mechanics together, yeah, the way you make them work together and stuff, maybe. But that's, you know, what you're saying though, Waterboy, is like that's a and very ambitious goal, I will say, because you know you're gonna have to think of something not just unique. You're gonna think of something that's hasn't necessarily been done before, and you're gonna have to, which is gonna make it harder because you're gonna have to make sure that it's providing fun, engaging gameplay. Um, you know, and so when you're doing something that hasn't been done before, making it engaging and fun at the same time might be a difficult thing. And yeah. But anyways, I did want to before I got off, dude. I've been on for oh my god, it's 2 a.m., bro. I said I was supposed to get off like an hour and a half ago. All right, I'm gonna have to get off. But I just wanted to say one last thing though. There are like two ways. I don't know if you guys know this. There are like two ways that I know of. Two main ways to really like drive traffic to a game on Roblox and you know, force it force it into the algorithm, okay? Which not really quotes, but you are really forcing it. But anyways, and that's just driving traffic through either influencer marketing, whether it be your own content or an influencer that you know of or whatever, you're reaching out and they end up playing it. But it has to be to the point where it's a lot of views because like, you know, you could get 1 million views on TikTok and you could get a lot of plays or you could get very little plays. So it just depends on, I guess, the game and the content and whatever else, right? Or you could have a very large YouTuber play it and they flood their fan base to it. That's another way, right? But it would have to be a very large YouTuber, like at least, you know, a few 100K subs, I think, or more. Or there's another way which you have more control over, which is Roblox ads. So what you do is, what I'm doing right now is testing campaigns, 20 to 30 credits a day for a few days, just to get data, just to see where your game's at. Are players playing it? Like, you know, are there any bugs that you didn't resolve? That sort of thing. Mostly, though, if all the bugs are resolved, you're really just trying to see if players are playing it and if they like it. Um, Dude, I gotta fix that. Jeez, that took forever. Oh, I can just add a backpack limit. That's easy. I've been literally collecting. I had so much in my fucking inventory. I'll just add a backpack limit. That's what all the other games do anyway. Anyways, though, so yeah. But then you do a full campaign, which is like 50 to 70 credits a day. 50 to 70 credit, 40 to 70 credits a day for like 7 days to 14 days. And what you're doing by doing this is you're forcing the game into Roblox's algorithm. So how Roblox's algorithm works, at least what I know about it, is they do have something in their algorithm in regards to active players every single day. So even if you have shitty stats, you really could force your game into the algorithm just by running Roblox ads. Why would you want to, though, if your game has shitty stats? Eventually it's going to die down. You know what I mean? If it stays shitty, if the stats stay shitty, it's going to die down eventually. But yeah, so you really could do that. What I'm doing, though, is I'm running those test campaigns. The moment I have, you know, decent enough data, like I have goal numbers in mind before I start running them, I'm just gonna, you know, run the full campaign from there, bro. Just full send with the full one and scale it up. That's how you would do it on other ad platforms as well. You would do test campaigns, and then as soon as you get certain data that you want, that's when you scale your campaign. You don't just sit there and go full blatant. You know what I mean? Like first thing. That's not what you do. But yeah. Go to my YouTube channel, I guess. I have videos where you can learn the code. Yeah, what's up? What's up, Spin? Is the stuff gonna show on player tap on top, right? Like how much money you have? What do you mean? Say that again. What do you mean by that? Yeah, facts. I tell people 30 minutes a day. 30 minutes a day and your brain will eventually adapt to what it's looking at. It's really just about letting your brain uh, make the connections. And if you don't give your brain time enough to do that, then it's just never going to do it. Leader stats and leaderboard. It's like a marriage. If you don't work on it, it's a divorce. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I'm going to bed, dude. Oh my god, I look tired as shit. I'm gonna be tired as fuck, bro. Yeah, that looks fire. I didn't know you were in this server, RZ. When did you join? Oh, you joined the other day. Still trash, hold up to the final result. That shit looks fire, bro. I fuck with it. Yo, you do realize, Emmanuel, like this game in this style will probably be the first. He said, "On God, why are you here?" W stream, thanks Nine Tours. Yo, that's dude. RZ and Emmanuel's beef is so fucking funny. That shit is actually funny as fuck. Y'all beef as fuck. Emma. Thanks for the stream, philosopher croc. Keep it up. Thanks, Waterboy. Thanks, bro. Join the server, bro. Join the Discord. That guy made steal a fruit, took the assets from a popular game called Blocks Fruits. Oh, yeah. I figured that when I looked at the thumbnail too. I was like, there ain't no way. Just join, but still W stream. Thanks, bro. Thanks, Finn. Thanks, dog. That shit is so fucking funny. Fuck, dude. I'm fucking tired as shit. Yeah, that walk game is like, what the fuck, bro? Imagine making a walk game, and you know that shit's makes like decent money probably too. Like people be probably be buying them fucking game passes and shit. It's fucking nuts. Holy fuck, dude. Yeah, hop up under a bit and go on Roblox to go to keep scripting. Do it, bro. Do it, dog. Yeah, I'm gonna get off, bro. All right. Have a good night, bro. Shit.